To invert colors in Photoshop, particularly when working with text or other non-image elements, you can't simply press Ctrl and I, as this method typically only works for images. If you try to invert a text layer by going to Image, Adjustments, you'll find that the Invert option is grayed out. One workaround is to right-click on the text layer, select Rasterize Type, and then go to Image, Adjustments. But this method can be problematic, as it may delete the text altogether. A better approach is to go to the Window menu and toggle on the Adjustments panel, ensuring that it has a check mark next to it. This will open the Adjustments tab, which will appear on the right side of the screen, although its location may vary depending on your setup. With the Adjustments panel open, select the layer you want to invert and look for the Invert Adjustment Layer option. Once you create this layer, it will be added above your selected layer, and it will affect all the layers below it, but not those above it. This technique allows you to invert colors in elements that cannot be inverted otherwise. By simply opening up the Adjustments panel and adding an invert layer,